This is an exercise for low back conditioning. It's classified under McGill Big 3 back core strengthening. So it's called bird dog. Its predominant use is for rotational or anti-rotational control. So what that means is when you are doing this particular exercise, you don't want to be shifting or rotating too much through your lumbar pelvic, so your pelvis and hips area. You also don't want to be leaning more on one hand, suggestive that you are shifting or shearing, which may likely contribute to why you have your back pain initially. So these exercises are for intermediate rehabilitations whereby we're starting to load the spine with some anti-rotational control.
We start with our hands and knees. We take a deep breath, finding neutral in our lower back spine and making sure that we are not shifting side to side. We slowly slide the leg, keeping contact of our toes, but we're maintaining pelvis neutral. As you feel confident, slide the hand, float it up, and when you feel ready, lift up your leg. And lower down. It's easy to go wrong with this particular exercise. What I generally commonly see is for the leg that you're balancing on, you tend to shift sideways as you lift up. Or you end up having a little bit of rotation going on. Or your stabilizing hand is doing a lot of work as you are going through this movement here. So this particular drill is important for us to control rotations through our core. So we find the positions where we lose control and we hold that position for a few breaths with good positions and really work out that core stability. It shouldn't cause any pain around your wrist, neither does it cause any pain around your back. You should feel a breath through your tummy and then stabilizing maybe a little bit through your buttocks that's lifting up.